Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all would be absolutely fine. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe it, and if you are new to Curators, welcome to Curators. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video as much as you can and share it, and to receive notification of this platform which is running through a multi-dimensional approach, do not forget to press bell icon. Okay, today I was supposed to have discussion on a different topic, but because for the last few weeks we have been discussing on public speaking with students of school, college and university. So I thought, okay, let's have a discussion on public speaking. We have different made videos on public speaking in English and Urdu. We will definitely be providing those links in the description in case if you have missed those videos and would like to know about public speaking in both languages, you could have a look at those links. Today we will be discussing specifically about intonation in English public speaking, that is, what is meant by intonation and why intonation is extremely important when it comes to English public speaking. Guys, intonation means rise and fall when it comes to public speaking. Before directly coming to this intonation, let me tell you a bit about basically why it is extremely important, or why it is so significant when it comes to public speaking. One way of communication is verbal communication, one is non-verbal communication. When it comes to verbal communication, it means communication through words only. In words, you can include words, all sorts of words basically. When we communicate with between and among people, when we use obviously words in order to describe our words, our sentences. The only thing we use in a verbal communication is to describe our feelings, and whatever we would like to communicate is the words. When it comes to communicate in a non-verbal way, where all these things comes in, like tone of the speaker, style, rhythm, and in those non-verbal things, one of the most important is intonation, which includes rise and fall, which includes your distance from the mic, especially if you are speaking on the rostrum. And intonation for a public speaker is an extremely important thing, because rise and fall in a style of speaking is extremely important. Because let's suppose, you can take an example how I am speaking right now. For instance, if I start speaking like the way we are speaking like that, will you be able to get me? No. Same time, if I speak like, if I speak in this way, it will be so unpleasant for you, because in those two styles you may still be able to get what I am saying, but those two styles feels unpleasant because the requirement of this particular moment may not be those two styles. Right now, in the way I'm speaking is perhaps the correct requirement, perhaps the requirement rather. So this rise and fall, the rhythm, the style, the tone is extremely important. This is where the intonation comes in, and especially if you are speaking at the rostrum, your distance from the mic as well. If you are so loud, if you are speaking by putting yourself so close to the mic, you are either if you are a bit louder, you may not be audible to the audience. Even if you are, then they may not be able to get you properly. And if you are so low, if you may be speaking properly, you may be speaking appropriately at the same time, but because your tone is so low, you're speaking in a very slow way that people may not be able to get you at the same time. So the distance from the mic, especially when you are at the rostrum, has to be in between them. Like, you should know as a speaker at what distance I need to stand from the mic. and at the same time, even if you're just addressing the audience, that's the way I am. Your style, your tone means a lot, your rhythm as well at the same time. So intonation in public speaking, you can say the backbone of public speaking. Even if you are speaking, let me just give you an example of one of my speech, that Mr. President, let's look at some of the examples. The topic of this speech is where there is no vision, the people perish. Try to notice, even if I'll be going a little higher in the tone, I will try my best to be clearly audible. At the same time, will try to speak the words separately so that you would be able to get me properly. Mr. President, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who liberated the Muslims of the subcontinent from the clutches of both the British and the Hindu majority, Mao Zedong, who brought cultural revolution in China, Nelson Mandela, despite imprisonment of 28 years, able to free the blacks from white masters. Above all, the Prophet of Islam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, against all odds and staunch oppositions, transformed the Bedouin population of Arabia into a civilized and cultured society. See, if you have noticed, I have gone high as well as gone a little low, but yet I was able to be heard clearly, yet you were able to get what I said. This is where intonation comes in. I'm sure you must have got what I'm saying. This is why I wanted to discuss in this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do subscribe it. If you want to get more lessons on public speaking, you can always join to my WhatsApp group. I'll provide you the link in the description. And that is it from my side, and stay curious for much more.